Hi! In front of me is Huawei Nova 11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness. First of all, go into Devices Settings and then select Display and Brightness. Now you need to tap on this switcher next to Automatic feature under Brightness slider. This way you will turn on or off adaptive brightness. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!